Phase 1, Day 3, Why Agents Need Structure. Slide 1, Why Agents Need Structure. On this slide, we're framing the core question for today. Why agents need structure in enterprise environments. Without structure, intelligence doesn't create flexibility, it creates risk. This is the foundational idea that explains why Agentforce exists at all. Slide 2. Unstructured AI equals enterprise risk. When outputs are unpredictable, decisions become inconsistent. And in an enterprise, inconsistency quickly becomes compliance exposure. That's not a tooling issue, that's a governance problem. Slide 3. Red flag, do anything. This slide highlights a major red flag in enterprise AI. Systems that claim they can do anything. General purpose intelligence without boundaries doesn't increase capability, it increases liability. Enterprises don't need limitless AI, they need bounded decision spaces. Slide 4. Decisions versus actions. This slide introduces a critical distinction. Decisions versus actions. Decisions involve judgment, evaluating risk, weighing context, recommending a path. Actions change systems, updating records, sending messages, triggering workflows. Most automation breaks because it treats these as the same thing. Slide 5. Think first, act later. This slide is about sequencing. Think first, act later. Enterprises accept uncertainty during reasoning. They do not accept uncertainty during execution. That separation is non-negotiable in high-risk systems. Slide 6. Reasoning versus execution. Here, we separate reasoning from execution as two fundamentally different capabilities. Reasoning analyzes patterns and context. Execution modifies data and systems. Because the risks are different, the controls must be different. Slide 7. Where automation breaks. This slide shows where traditional automation fails. Without a decision framework, without a human checkpoint, and without a clear owner, high-risk actions end up auto-executing, with no one clearly accountable for the outcome. Slide 8. Renewal risk example. This slide grounds everything in a renewal risk example. The agent detects churn signals and evaluates renewal probability. It recommends an intervention, but a human, typically an account executive, decides whether and how to act. The agent informs, the human decides, the system executes. Slide 9. Structure enables trust. This slide explains why structure enables trust at scale. Clear boundaries define what the agent can do. Defined gates control when it must pause. Audit trails make decisions reviewable. Trust doesn't come from intelligence, it comes from predictability. Slide 10. Why Agentforce exists. This final slide explains why Agentforce exists. It wasn't built to remove humans from decisions. It was built to enforce guardrails, structure, and accountability. Foundations before build, structure before scale. Next, we'll look at the first structural layer in detail. Classification, how an agent frames a decision.